we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September, a day filled with joy, happiness, and excitement, as students are eagerly waiting to tell their teachers how and why they are special for them. It is my honor to talk about our teachers on this wonderful occasion. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, no profession in the world is better than a profession of a teacher. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate Teachers' Day on the commemoration of his birthday, and Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, along with a successful leader of the country, as in the form of second president and first vice president, he was a great scholar and excellent teacher. Now I want to
Morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. As we know, we all are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. We celebrate this day for the memorization of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birthday. Apart from being a great and successful leader, he was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. His method of teaching was a great.
Of you, respected principal ma'am, manager sir, and all the staff members and my dear friends. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I tell a poem related to Teachers' Day. उस टॉपिक इज शिक्षक। आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता है शिक्षक। आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता है शिक्षक। सदाबहार फूल सा खिलकर महकता और महकाता शिक्षक। सदाबहार फूल सा खिलकर महकता और महकाता शिक्षक। नीत नए प्रेरक आयाम लेकर हर पल भव्य बनाता शिक्षक। नीत नए प्रेरक आयाम लेकर हर पल भव्य बनाता शिक्षक। संचित ज्ञान का धन हमें देकर खुशियाँ खूब मनाता शिक्षक। संचित ज्ञान का धन हमें लेकर खुशियाँ खूब मनाता शिक्षक। पाप व लालच से डरने की धर्मीय सीख सिखाता शिक्षक। पाप व लालच से डरने की धर्मीय सीख सिखाता शिक्षक। देश के लिए मर मिटने की बलिदानी राह दिखाता शिक्षक। देश के लिए मर मिटने की बलिदानी राह दिखाता शिक्षक। प्रकाश पुंज का आधार बनकर कर्तव्य अपना निभाता शिक्षक। प्रकाश पुंज का आधार बनकर कर्तव्य अपना निभाता शिक्षक। प्रेम सरिता की बनकर धारा नया पार लगाता शिक्षक। प्रेम सरिता की बनकर धारा नया पार लगाता शिक्षक। आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता शिक्षक। आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता शिक्षक। Once again, a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. गिरते हैं जब हम तो हमें उठाते हैं शिक्षक। गिरते हैं जब हम तो हमें उठाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन की राह दिखाते हैं शिक्षक। अंधेरी राह पर बनकर दीपक, अंधेरी राह पर बनकर दीपक जीवन को रोशन कराते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन को रोशन कराते हैं शिक्षक। कभी आँखों में नमी जो होती, कभी आँखों में नमी जो होती, तो अच्छे दोस्त बनकर हंसाते हैं शिक्षक। तो अच्छे दोस्त बनकर हंसाते हैं शिक्षक। झटकती है दुनिया हाथ कभी जब, झटकती है दुनिया हाथ कभी जब, जो झटपट हाथ बढ़ाते हैं शिक्षक। तो झटपट हाथ बढ़ाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन कठिन है कहते हैं हम, जीवन कठिन है कहते हैं हम, पर जीवन संघर्ष सिखाते हैं शिक्षक। पर जीवन संघर्ष सिखाते हैं शिक्षक। देकर अपनी ज्ञान की पूंजी, देकर अपनी ज्ञान की पूंजी हमें योग्य बनाते हैं शिक्षक। हमें योग्य बनाते हैं शिक्षक। इस देश और दुनिया के लिए, इस देश और दुनिया के लिए एक अच्छा समाज बनाते हैं शिक्षक। एक अच्छा समाज बनाते हैं शिक्षक। नहीं हो कहीं अशांति, नहीं हो कहीं अशांति, एक यही पैगाम फैलाते हैं शिक्षक। एक यही पैगाम फैलाते हैं शिक्षक। गिरते हैं जब हम तो हमें उठाते हैं शिक्षक। गिरते हैं जब हम तो हमें उठाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन की राह दिखाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन की राह दिखाते हैं शिक्षक। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।
Opportunity to saying something in front of you. Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, all teachers and my dear companions. First of all, I wish to all teachers a happy Teachers' Day. As we all know, our Teachers' Day is celebrated in the India on 5th September on the birth anniversary of the second president of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he is He was an excellent teacher that has believed that a teacher can a great mind in the world. As we have known, a teacher learned various things and supported us and motivated us. We we requested to all of you to respected our teachers always, and once again I wish you a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
कृष्णा जो बोला हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैं एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ। आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो, हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही तो बढ़ाते हो। शिक्षक दिवस की बधाइयाँ। Respect principal ma'am and all teachers. My dear friends, I dedicate a poem on the wise occasion of Teachers Day. मेरी मैडम कितनी प्यारी, मुझको लगती सबसे न्यारी, अच्छी अच्छी बात बताती, पढ़ना लिखना मुझे सिखाती। मेरी मैडम प्यार है करती, मेरा ध्यान सदा ही रखती। मेरी मैडम है होशियार, हमें बहुत करती है प्यार। मेरी मैडम के प्यारे बच्चे काम करेंगे सदा ही अच्छे। Principal, teachers and all my schoolmates. Today I feel honored to stand here and welcome our prestigious teachers on this occasion of Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on the 5th September to mark the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president and the first vice president of our country and a great teacher. Words fall short when to how important the role of teacher in students' life. I can only say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Sri Guru. Tasme Sri Gurave Namo. It means teacher like a God. Thank you and have a nice day.
I would like to wish you a happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second President of India. He was also a good teacher. Across the world, Teacher Day is a mark of respect in society. Teachers play an important role to become success in our life. I wish you again happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So I say it in Hindi. जीवन का मार्ग कठिन है, जीवन का मार्ग कठिन है, सत्य का विचार कठिन है, सत्य का विचार कठिन है, पर जो हर हाल में सत्य सिखाए, पर जो हर हाल में सत्य सिखाए, वही एक सफल शिक्षक कहलाए, वही एक सफल शिक्षक कहलाए। और शिक्षक ज्ञान का सागर है, और शिक्षक ज्ञान का सागर है, और माता पिता की बात।
Members of Aryan Academy, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. At first, I would like to wish all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers Day. It is because for you that we are able to learn and grow. You are our second parents and guide us on the right path. Teachers play an important.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, ma'am, manager, sir, and my dear classmates. I wish all teachers and my dear classmates a very happy Teachers Day. As you all know, today we all have gathered here to celebrate 5th September as Teachers Day. I welcome all teachers and classmates, and the Teachers Day is celebrated as the birthday.
Today, September, Teachers Day is the birth anniversary of Dr.
Of you respected principal, teachers and students. My name is Bhavika Rawat. I study in third. Wish you very happy Teachers Day. Today is 5th September. We are celebrated Teachers Day. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India.
As we all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on 5th September. It is celebrated to remember the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar, philosopher, teacher, and first vice president and second president of India. And respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the celebration of Teachers' Day. My name is Ansu. I want to share my thoughts on Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to wish all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. As we all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. It is celebrated to remember the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th September in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of our country and a great teacher. The Teachers' Day celebration started in 5th September 1962. Again, I say all of you happy Teachers' Day. I tell the poem for topic of Shikshak. माता देती नवजीवन, पिता सुरक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन सच्ची मानवता शिक्षक जीवन में भरते हैं। सत्य न्याय के पक्ष पर शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं, जीवन संघर्षों से लेना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं। ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति जलाकर मन आलोकित करते हैं। विद्या का धन देकर शिक्षक जीवन सुख से भरते हैं।
Day. So, as you know, Teachers' Day is celebrated all over the world. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. If I talk about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, so Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888. And if I talk about his family, so his father's name is Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name Sitama. He was the first vice president of India and
जिंदगी कल एक थी, ना रंगों का ठहराव था। जिंदगी तब उजागर हुई जब उसमें गुरु नाम का भेदभाव था। जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना झुका पाएंगे उसका कर्जा। माँ ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर गुरु का भी इतना महान दर्जा। किस्सा जिंदगी का शुरू ही नहीं हुआ होता अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही नहीं होता। इंसान को जिंदगी के सागर से प्यार है, इंसान जिसकी माँ की परछाई और गुरु का ज्ञान अपार है। भगवान को भी भगवान बनने के लिए गुरु का ही ज्ञान काम आया था। माँ ने धुनी थाम कर कहा था चलो ऊपर चलना था, ये गुरु ने ही सिखाया था। थैंक यू।
It's a honor to talk about Teachers' Day on this special occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September. Actually,
मेरा मान हो, आप मेरा सम्मान हो और हो मेरा अभिमान। आपके द्वारा दी गई शिक्षा ही करती है मेरे जीवन को गतिमान। गुरु ही माता, गुरु ही पिता है और है गुरु ही भगवान। गुरु के चरणों में तीनों लोकों और वाणी में ज्ञान ही ज्ञान। गुरु तेरे उपकारों का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल। लाख कीमती धन भला गुरु है मेरे अनमोल। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।
5th September, we always respect and obey our teachers. Teachers play important role in our life. Without teachers, student life is not possible. Thank you and have a nice day.
on the 5th September in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of our country and a great teacher. The Teachers' Day celebration started in 5 September 1962. Again, I say
I want to wish Happy Teachers' Day to Principal Ma'am, managers and all my teachers. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. It is a birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was second president and he also was first vice president. He was a best teacher and he also awarded teachers. Dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. In India, it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of our country and a great teacher. He was the first vice president of India, our country, and a great teacher. The Teachers' Day. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born in 5th September 1888 and he is a great teacher, scholar and a philosopher and a politician. So he died on 16th April 1975 and he was also awarded by Bharat Ratna. So I want to stop my words. Thank you.
The parents give birth to a child, while the teachers a prominent role in making the child an ideal person, ideal citizen in making that child an ideal citizen by the way of education. Parents take the responsibility of love and care, while the teachers take the responsibility of guiding and educating that child to become successfully in life. It is true that the teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Now I want
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. कितनी बार मैंने कहा इतना लंबा नहीं कीजिए गुड मॉर्निंग को. एक बार अच्छे से बोलो. ठीक है, बैठ जाओ. थैंक यू. आज आए थे लेट क्यों गए थे? सर यार इसका नोट हुआ था. रोज स्कूल में नोट हुआ था. और तुम इतना लेट क्यों हुए? जो साइज का 20 का नोट था मेरे पैर के नीचे. तो मैंने कल तुम्हारे टेंस पढ़ाए थे. किस किस के याद है?
सर ने
क्या आंसर है कि बताओ. सर एक प्रकार का होता है.